Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. Today is the 15th of July. As you all know that yesterday was the expiry and I usually put my trades on Thursday, and this has been the performance so far, that is given as 0.6%. and today's market, it's basically that it has remained within a very short range of plus or minus 50 to 100 points. So there was nothing to do so far, and but the interesting thing is that the VIX has fallen by 3.5%, which is like quite insane, telling that the market is gonna be stable for some time, and it means that not much of an up move or a down move. So I'm expecting sort of a sideways market with this. So what I'm planning to do is that since the VIX has dropped, the chances or the fear of the market falling is quite low, so this allows me to push my PE further up. I had sold 15,200 at 12 rupees yesterday. Now it is at 3.7. There was a significant drop in the premiums, so and I had sold 16,500 at the highest. Since looking at my payoff diagram, I see that on Monday's close, if the market goes up, I'll be making somewhere around 28,000, which is my weekly target this time, with a low VIX. And then in case if it comes down to up to 15,800, I see that the profits around 22,000. So and the lower break even. So in case if market falls, and assume that the VIX increases by 10%, I do not have a loss till 3% on the upside, and if it goes up, maybe I assume that there's a 5% drop in VIX and there is no losses up to 2%. So based on this and looking upon the option chain, it looks like the shorts are sort of building on both ways today, especially that there has been equivalent amount of calls and puts which are sold, and I generally tend to look at monthly, and I see a strong support coming at around 16,000, and this is what we are trying to see, that the market has crossed 16,000 as of now and it's going a bit upwards. So I would like to delta match this for this price with by selling 15,300 PE, and also by moving up this 16,000 PE a little bit higher in case the market reverses. So this would be my trade of action for today's trade. So let's assume that I go back over here and go ahead and close this with 3.4 as indicated by the markets, and then I would go ahead and sell 15,300 PE for the 21st July expiry, again 40 lots. So what this does is it creates me a middle range of 17,000 16,000. So in case if market goes back, if it goes higher, then I'm making 31,000, and if it slides down, I'm making a bit of loss. To compensate for this, always what I do is when the market reaches my buy levels at 16,000 PE, I just tend to close this, and it's currently trading at 179. And then go and buy an ITM P4 lots. So what this would do is, initially it was 16, now it has become 23. The reason is because if the market goes up and expires above 16,000, my premiums would fall for the PE which I had bought. So that's the reason I always keep moving this to maintain a healthy payoff diagram. And if we move over here and we see that I'm expecting market to face resistance on Monday at 16,200, so that's around 25, which is still good because then I can still manage. And on the lower side, let's assume that the market tends to be lower after HDFC Bank result, then I make still around like 15,800 or something like that, or 30,000. So let's say that my target is around 25,000 for next week. Keeping this in mind, I will go ahead and make these changes. I'll just save this for now, and I will update the price later, because I tend to average it out because I would be using 3 accounts basically. So I just go ahead and exit this and then sell the quantities. Then first thing I do is buy, then I would exit this position. So this is fairly what I do in couple of minutes, and it's quite easy to do this. It's not gonna take a lot of time for me to do this. So the trading basically comes down to roughly around 10 minutes per day once you are used to do what you want to do. So yes, and I would exit the 16,000 PE. So that's it guys, for today, and this is what my trade looks like for Monday, and let's see where it goes. Hopefully I would be able to make 25-30k and exit this trade. Thank you all.